Hey guys, it's Mrs. Garcia. Just want to review the assignments with you for this week. So this week we're talking about the Edwards Aquifer. So just a couple reminders on the first screen. I'll place a little blurb there for you to click on the sound so that you can listen to the sound. So make sure you look out for those. They'll be on each slide so you can hear the audio. But just a couple things to remember. Your objectives for this week are also listed. You have tasks 1 through 4. And then as you move on through your assignments, a lot of them this week are going to be fill in the blank where you have to drag. So you will click the word at the bottom and you'll just drag it to whatever line you think it belongs on. So make sure though that it, like it says in the directions, it says listen to the audio. The audio will tell you what word goes where. So when you click that audio button that'll be there, then you'll just drag the correct word into the right blanks. That goes for this assignment as well for task 1. When you move on to task 2, you are going to click this link here at the bottom to watch a video on the Edwards Aquifer. Once you have watched that video, you're going to go to the next slide. You're going to take a quiz. One thing that I want to make sure that you guys remember is once you click the link to open it, it's going to look like this. You're going to type your first and last name because this is for a grade. And you're going to make sure that the read aloud is green. If it is gray, that means it is not on. So you need to make sure that it's on so that the quiz can read the test questions and answer choices to you. So make sure that's green. After you've taken that quiz, you're going to go on to the next task, which is the same thing. You're going to listen to the audio and you'll see a little audio button here when you get your slides, and you're going to drag the correct word to the right blank. The next slide is asking you to look at this picture. So you're going to look at this picture and you're going to identify the 5 rivers that flow into the Gulf of Mexico. So here's the Gulf of Mexico. So on this map, there are 5 rivers, local rivers, that you need to type on this side. So you'll click, double click, and then you should be able to type right here. So you'll type those 5 rivers. The next slide is asking you, what do you think SAW stands for? So you'll click this link here. And when you open it up, at the very top, it'll tell you what SAW stands for, and that's what you'll type on this blank. For the next 2 slides, you're going to look at the picture above, and you're going to answer the questions. So this one's asking about Bernie, so you'll look for Bernie, and then you'll answer that question, and then type it in the blank. And then for the next one, it's asking about San Antonio, so you'll find San Antonio, and you'll type 2 answers in the blank using this picture. That is all we have for this week, guys. Remember that if you have questions, please let us know. Every single slide will have little sound buttons for you to listen to the audio to understand what the directions are or what the slide says to you. But that's all I got. Happy learning.